Hi, welcome to Ask Chef Gilles part 40. Today we talk about bitter cocktails. We're back in Arthos and what kind of food can you eat with bitter cocktails? So good matches are all your roasted food, so your chicken wings, beef fingers, maybe nice burgers, or some tuna tataki, the grilled items like some grilled salmon. That goes quite nicely with bitter cocktails. They have also a little bit sweetness to it, like the chicken wings and the grilled salmon, and that matches very well. And Umay, our chief mixologist, will now prepare us a very nice Negroni based on gin.
Based on gin, Campari, and sweet vermouth. Please enjoy.
Thank you, Umay. Nice. With the bitterness coming, the fruity part. Thank you. Perfect with some chicken wings, a nice burger. Really nice. Cheers.